Hi friends, this is Jiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you something funny and you might find it gross as well, but this is very useful. I'm rubbing this black thing that you can see in this video on my lips and I really love it. You must be thinking what it is. Can you guess? Let me break it and use it again on my lips. Here we go. And you can see more rosiness on my lips, or natural pink lips. Let me show you. This is knife and this is the same piece. I'm going to cut it, make it fresh, use some Vaseline on it and apply on my cheeks. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it more. Rub it more on the other cheek. Whoa. Let me just blend it on my skin first. And then, whoa. Again. I just love it, how it looks. And I do it every time this product is in my house. What it is? Yes, it is a beetroot. It might look gross and dirty, but it is nicely washed and was in fridge for a long time, and it has dried a bit, but I still use it. Hope you liked it. Just let me know in the comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, love and light.